Okay, everybody, I know several of y'all have been having problems creating your Voki, so I'm going to do this screencast to show y'all how to do it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Voki.com, and then you're going to click on Create Voki, and it'll give you this, and it may be somebody different in here, it's okay. So you're going to click on the face, and that's going to bring up all the characters. Now, anytime you have a star next to a character, that means that's a premium character, and you would have to sign up for an account and pay for it. We don't want to do that. We want to use a free character. They have all kinds of characters. This is all Greek mythology. Different people from history. I'm going to do Mark Antony. So here's Mark Antony. Here's my character. After that, click on clothes. Some of their clothes will be able to change. I could put him in his Roman centurion. Hair doesn't really change. I can put his helmet on him. Now I'm going to choose his background. And you can choose any of the backgrounds that they have. Oops. Let's see, what kind of background do we want? We'll put him in the Colosseum. Okay, once you have your character created, you're going to click over here where it says voice, and you're going to type in what you want him to say. Once you write what you want him to say, you're going to select English, and then you can choose the voice.
Hello, my name is Mark Antony. I am from the Roman Legion.
Like this one is a girl's voice. I can give it a guy's voice.
Hello, my name is Mark Antony. I'm from the Roman Legion.
But once you've come up with the voice you want, you're going to come over here to this corner and you're going to click Save. And it's going to tell you to name your Voki. And you're going to save it there. And it's going to ask you, sign me up, log in. You're going to tell it, no thanks, continue as guest. And here's your character, and you can double check to make sure it's there.
Hello, my name is Mark Antony. I'm from the Roman Legion.
And then you're going to click over here where this chain is. It says copy URL. You're going to go click on this, copy URL. Then you're going to come back over to Canvas. Excuse me. Why did it go announcement? That's not what I wanted. Cancel. Come on. I want it to go into student view so you can see it. Now you'll notice that unit 00 is not up here anymore. But it is, however, right here, right underneath Unit 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to create your avatar. I want to click on that. And it's going to come up. You're going to come over here, click on assignment where it says submit assignment, and you notice that this box comes up and it says website URL. You're going to click in there, and then you can do it one of two ways. If you have a mouse, you can right click and you'll get this to come up. If you do not have a mouse, you're going to hold down the control button on your keyboard, and you're going to tap the letter V as in Victor, and it's going to populate. Once it does that, you're going to click Submit Assignment. And once it submits, you'll notice it says Resubmit Assignment, and it shows you over here submitted, the day, and submission details. That's how you know it has been submitted, okay? If you have any further problems, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help y'all. Bye.